I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be guiding you on how to delete TikTok account. For that, first of all, open up your TikTok app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile option, which is at the bottom right of your screen. On the top right of your screen, you'll see a 3-bar menu icon. Tap on it. Under account section, there you'll see the option of manage account. Tap on it. Then select delete account. If you delete your account, you will no longer be able to log into TikTok with that account. You will lose access to the videos that you have posted. You won't get any refund on any items that you have purchased, or the information in your account won't be saved. Now, if you want to continue, tap on continue. To verify your identity, you'll have to enter your password. After you're done, tap on delete account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete your account. Select delete. Your account will now be deactivated, and within 30 days your account will be deleted. This way you can delete your TikTok account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.